Made 100 questions in a card laid twice. When I lost you, I was hard and brave, with some cash inside my pocket and my New York game.